Well, while I was shooting Hellstrom, but this is before the catastrophic screening, I was just filming it. Mel Stewart, who was directing Willy Wonka, I was in Munich doing something with insects. Oh no, I know it was in Munich I was getting special lenses built for one of the cameras. And I went to I knew Mel, of course, because we worked together, you know, at Wolper. I went to the Willy Wonka set and saw him and whatnot. Then he finished shooting, he came back, and when he came back, I had a studio in a building that Wolper owned on Wilshire Boulevard that he was going to rent, and they were fixing the upstairs, so I was shooting in the basement. I had like the basement as a studio for the insect shooting. And Mel came over, he said, I want to show you this sequence, and he said, because the studio hates it, and he ran the sequence, and it was, you know, it was like, it was supposed to be scary, and I think it was taken from the book. The kid was afraid of getting a shot, so it was a hypodermic going into a kid's arm, and it was, you know, but it was like, it was weird. It was, you couldn't sort of expose kids to that and have them, it was more like creepy than scary, you know. And he said, do you have anything? And I said, yeah, I got some stuff that might work. Maybe we could do this tunnel thing, you know. It's like a tunnel of horrors, which he had them in the thing going. I said, and then these are like panels alongside the tunnel that they see, and it's like these things leaping at them and so forth. And one of them, so he said, oh, great, shoot me some stuff. So I shot some stuff for him, and one of the things I shot was I wanted to use a centipede. I had a centipede that was this big. And Bob Stein, God rest him, who worked with me, I said, okay, Bob, I'm going to lie down, I lit myself, you know, I'll roll the camera, I had the button, I had the clicker. I said, and put the centipede on my face. And I was lying there, and Bob took the centipede with a pair of big long forceps like that, and he lifted it up, you know. I went, no, I can't do it, like that. And he said, oh, it'll be a great shot, do it. And I said, no, I'm scared of the thing. He might actually, like, what if he bites my eyelid or something? Or, you know, there's a nerve here that, you know, a centipede bite would be really bad. I was too scared to do it. I said, get the big millipede. We had a big millipede. They're harmless. And so we did the shot with the millipede.